Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the PayGate plugin for the CS Cart backend. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do is go to the GitHub repository and to the releases section for the plugin, and you're going to download it, either by clicking it or selecting Save As, but clicking it should work straight. Once it's downloaded, you're going to want to store it on a safe place in your computer. It could be your desktop, it could be a subfolder within the downloads folder. That is up to you. I've stored it in a folder on my desktop. Now what you're going to do next is extract the file. If you're on a Mac, you just double click it and it'll extract. On Windows, you should be able to open it straight, or you can use a program like WinZip to extract it. Now you see it extract to the folder and you can open the PDF for the setup instructions. Now as you can see here, there's two steps to installing the plugin. The first thing you're going to do is log into your CS Cart website, and when you log in, it's going to show this screen. But once you've logged in, go back to the instructions, and it says click add-ons and manage add-ons on the top bar. Now you're going to click the plus button and then click the local selection. So let's do that now. So let's first add a new one. Now local is what you're going to select to upload from your computer. And you're going to look on your desktop or the downloads folder, wherever you've stored it. You're going to find the plugin, the zip file called paygate.zip, and you're going to click open. Then you're going to click upload and install. Once it's done, scroll down to make sure that the plugin has been uploaded and is active. So there is the PayGate payment gateway, and as you can see, it is active. So let's move on to step 2. You're going to go to the menu, administration, and select payment methods. So there's an administration menu and click on payment methods. Now you're going to click the plus for add payment method. Now it says here you're going to need to type in PayGate or anything else, but PayGate should work fine, and select PayGate as the processor. Type PayGate here. And let's make the process. Scroll down until you find PayGate. There you go. Now, payment category is credit card, as it said in the document, right there. Now click on Configure tab next to General. This is where you add your PayGate ID and secret. However, keep in mind, if this is a test site, you need to use the test ID and the test secret, as your live ID won't work. And just on the same breath, if it's a live site, you can't use your test ID. It has to be a live ID. But you can get your ID and secret from PayGate. They'll send it to you. After that's done, you go back to the General tab and you click Create. And as you can see, PayGate is now there. The last thing to do is to clear your cache. And it says you're going to use your URL and you're going to add a $CC after the admin.php URL. So if you click the home button, it'll take you to your admin.php URL. Might not be admin.php, just add a question mark and 2 C's afterwards, as it says there, and then you're going to press enter and that will clear your cache. Once the cache is cleared, then you go to payment methods, just to check that the PayGate plugin is still there, and it is there. And that's all there is to it. Thank you and good luck.